I know you're probably thinking, of course not. Deel is a company that provides payroll and HR services, so they have to charge for something, right? Well, you're not wrong. Deel does charge for their services. However, they also offer a free tier that includes some basic features. Deel is a global HR and payroll platform that helps companies hire and manage employees in over 150 countries. They offer a variety of services, including payroll processing, benefits administration, time tracking, performance management, and more. Deel's free tier includes the following features: up to 5 employees, 1 job posting, basic time tracking, access to Deel's global network of HR experts. So, is Deel really free? Yes and no. Deel offers a free tier that includes some basic features. However, if you need to use more than 5 employees, post more than 1 job, or need access to more advanced features, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. Here are the different Deel pricing plans. Freelancer, $199 per month. Small business, $299 per month. Enterprise, custom pricing. Is Deel worth the cost? That's a question that only you can answer. If you're a small company that needs to hire and manage employees in multiple countries, Deel can be a valuable tool. However, if you're a large company with more complex needs, you may want to consider other options. Here are some of the pros and cons of using Deel. Pros: easy to use, global reach, wide range of features, excellent customer support. Cons: can be expensive, not as comprehensive as some other HR and payroll platforms. May not be the best option for large companies. Deel is a great option for small companies that need to hire and manage employees in multiple countries. However, it may not be the best option for large companies or those with more complex needs. If you're interested in learning more about Deel, I encourage you to visit their website or sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on HR and payroll. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.